In our current times, it is essential to remain safe from diseases. You might say that we can use hand sanitizers. But are they totally safe? Let us find out. Uses of hand sanitizer. In the hospital, it's vital to keep hands free of bacteria and viruses, to avoid spreading them from patient to patient. As doctors and nurses are often very busy, hand sanitizers can come in handy. It was in the mid-1900s that researchers discovered alcohol, a primary germ killer, could be delivered in a gel to provide quick and easy cleaning when there's no time or access to soap and warm water. But did you know that chemical hand sanitizers with a lot of alcohol in it can be harmful to you? Find out in this video. How do hand sanitizers work? Soap and water kill and flush germs from the skin. Hand sanitizers, on the other hand, work by sitting on the skin and killing germs on contact. They only work, however, if they have enough alcohol to kill the germs, at least 60%, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Once you apply the alcohol, it begins to evaporate, and it's through this evaporation that germs are killed. If you dry off the sanitizer before it evaporates all the way, you're actually reducing its effectiveness. What's wrong with hand sanitizers? Though the occasional use of a hand sanitizer isn't going to hurt you, regular use over time can cause a lot of problems. Here are 5 disadvantages of chemical hand sanitizer. 1. Dry skin. The alcohols used in hand sanitizers include isopropyl, ethanol, and N-propanol. These are the drying alcohols. They irritate the skin, strip away its natural oils and acid mantle, dehydrate cells, and increase the risk of contact dermatitis. 2. Accelerated aging. The drying effects can lead to increased appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, as well as calluses, cracks, and flakiness. Over time, alcohol can disrupt the natural barrier function, reducing the skin's ability to protect itself, and leading to increased dehydration. 3. Antibiotic resistance. Many hand sanitizers these days are made with triclosan. This antibacterial has been found in animal studies to disrupt hormone function. It's also connected to the rise of so-called superbugs, bacteria and viruses that can resist antibiotics. The CDC announced in 2013 that the rise of superbugs, as a result of overuse of antibiotics, was a serious threat to human health, and had caused at least 23,000 deaths that year. 4. Unknown chemicals. Many hand sanitizers are made with chemical fragrances. Since manufacturers are not required to list fragrance ingredients on the label, you don't know what you're exposing yourself to. Many fragrances are irritating and have been linked to allergies and hormone disruption. 5. Weakened immune system. We think we're reducing our risk of getting sick when we use hand sanitizers, but they can weaken the immune system. Ultra-clean environments, particularly early in life, can contribute to reduced immune defenses later on. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for more informative videos.